Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. Do you remember when we talked about the S and the H and how when they go together, those two letters make a special sound? What's the sound that they make? You're right. Shh, like in shot or shelf or shut. Great job. Let's play our special game. Look at the shapes on the screen. What are the names of those shapes? Triangle. Remember, a triangle is a closed shape with three sides. Underneath each triangle is a letter or letters that makes a sound. My turn first. Ooh, that letter says ah. Now it's your turn. What sound does this make? I. Shh. B. Ya. Shh. D. Mario. Shh. All of the letters in the last column work together to make the sh sound. It's time for our alphabet song. Do it with me. Here we go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, M, A, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Awesome job. All right, for our next sound activity, we're going to take a word that has two parts. I'm going to take off the last part. You tell me what's left. Remember, sometimes what's left is not a real word. Here we go. Say gentle. Without toll, what's left? Gen. Ooh, say human. Without men, what's left? Hue. Say only. Without Lee, what's left? Own. Say begin. Without gin, what's left? Be. Say outer. Without ter, what's left? Out. Say golden. Without den, what's left? Goal. Say insect. Without sect, what's left? In. Say lazy. Without Z, what's left? Lay. Say neither. Without there, what's left? Knee. Awesome job. All right, it's time for blending with Mario. So everyone say, hi, Mario. Mario's listening to music. Turn off your music. All right. So I will say two sounds. You blend the sounds together to make a real word, and Mario will do the same. Are you ready? Here's your first one. A. What word am I trying to say? A. May. Yeah, like May is when I have my birthday. Next one. An. 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 So. So. The word is so. Great job. Next one. Ill. 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 Ill is another word for when I'm sick. Last one. O. Low. Mario was looking down. He was looking low. All right. Great job, boys and girls. Have a good day.